Bona ukudliwa kwePirates kule game it comes back to into ehlezi ishiwo coach Wade ukuthi kumele iPirates ibe ruthless in front of goal. Kumele yenze sure ukuthi iyakora. iPirates I think ibena chance angaza ungaki before iSundowns izokore la magoli lawa. Yabo. So it proves the point of lento ehlezi ishiwo coach Wade ukuthi no as much as thina as abalandeli noma abalandeli bePirates bebona ukuthi hayibe ucoach Wade why ethi Pirates bengekho happy win ngo 3-0 ama results akhona ke lokho ukuthi bafike bengakori benze nje bethi into bebengabi clinical yabo. So it comes back to lezo zinto lezo ehlezi ishiwo yena lapha ku coach Wade, and I'm happy ukuthi iPirates idliwe namhlanje. Honestly speaking, I'm happy. This is a wake up call ukuthi now mele bebe clinical yabo in front of goal. Mele benze sure ukuthi they punish.
Bafethu, yabona makhuluma ngomgadla ebholeni, ukhuluma ngoBrian Leon bafethu. That guy is a proper striker. That's what you call a striker bafethu. That guy is going to score a lot of goals in the PSL bafethu because he understands his position. Yangithola. And the difference between him and Yanele Mphutuma namhlanje, Brian Leon is clinical, Yanele Mphutuma, he's not clinical. That's the difference bafethu. The two best teams in South Africa right now, one team has a striker, the other team doesn't have a striker. The other team needs to create 20 opportunities to score one goal. Low, two opportunities that Sundowns got namhlanje, he buried them. This is the guy that you supply with those crosses, with those throw balls. But I wanted that pass from Aubrey Mudiba. That pass from Aubrey Mudiba, it was about Kevin De Bruyne, Lizia. It was about Kevin De Bruyne, and he did not disappoint. Uhluphe uSpizi wahlupha noSiema namhlanje bafethu. He showed us ukuthi he's a clinical striker. He stays in the box. He knows his job as a Sundowns player because he understands ukuthi I've got quality players. My job is to stay in the box. What a striker bafethu. Usazoshaya amagoli amaningi lomjida. Usazohlupha in the PSL. That's if he doesn't get a lot of injuries. Bafethu, if he's injury free, but for you, that guy is going to score a lot of goals. What a striker. Salute.
Banter aside, I honestly thought that was actually a very good game of football. I actually thoroughly enjoyed it. And being honest, Orlando Pirates were unlucky. They hit the post. Williams made two very good saves, especially the first one of the deflection. I thought that was going in. His foot kicks it out. Maswanganyi could have hit that ball first time. So Orlando Pirates did have chances to put the game away. And that shows you with Sundowns, if you give them a breathing chance, they'll smack you. And that's Sundowns got their two chances and took them. And also, you coach differently, my man. You coach very differently because I was questioning Nuno Santos in the starting lineup, but you can see some of his passes. Nuno Santos defense splitting pass behind the ball in the that first pass he gave to, is it Lena? I don't know, I'm not sure the Sundowns striker's name, Lena. That pass. That one, only a player with vision can see that pass and executed that brilliantly. Brilliant pass. Yeah, and Sundowns, like I said, played a good game. Midfield battle. And I thought in this game, Abdeslam Odu, I don't know, maybe Mbata's injured. Do you not need Mbata in a game like this? Even if you had him on the bench, you saw 60 minutes, you're struggling to get into the final third of Mamelodi Sundowns. You're struggling to get behind them. They're playing a killer offside trap. You throw in Mbata from long range, take those shots. Because I'm sure Mbata from long range, dangerous. So that's what I thought you'd need a player like that there for. But yeah, good game. Orlando Pirates were just unlucky at the end of the day. And that's football. You win some, you lose some. But yeah.
Iyaphoxa kodwa ibhola. Iyaphoxa le nto kuthiwa ibhola. Hayi. Uthi mina anzulila. Anzulila futhi mina. Anzulila. Awu, anzulila. Sanuqala ngohleka. I can explain uba kwenzeke ntoni pha. Besingazi ubethwa thina iSundowns. Besingeke sibethwe iSundowns nabo bayayazi loo nto. Cha thina sibhidwe nje laa nto uba itshintshiwe le game ibizodlalela kwi-arena. Thina besifuna i-arena thina. Hawu. Ibigame yase-arena lena not FNB apho. Kaloku ufuneka ube ready xa uzoya e-FNB uxelelwe in time uba uzoya e-FNB. futhi thina kunyanzelekanga sibethi Sundowns thina ize siwina kunyanzelekanga sisazoyithatha futhi league ngoba sisengu number 1 thina nina into liyaziyo ukuhleka qha Nyazi, iChiefs izobhadala nge28 uzobona. Uzobona iChiefs izobhadala nge28. Azobhadala. Yaphola kodwa.
Awu kabuyelo masandawana. Alright bafethu, iMamelodi Sundowns sivele yavulela induku lapha eFNB Stadium kubulawa iOrlando Pirates. Wow, what a game. What a game. This was a game of fine margins. The one that capitalized on their chances is the one that won the game. I mean, there is a header that Umbutsuma missed. And then if Utito controls that ball well, before Ndamana shy the tackle, if Utito controls that ball well, he has an opportunity to shoot at goal. Ndamana shy tackle, Bashai counter attack, which leads to the goal. So, tactically speaking, the Pirates, they try to be compact, they try to minimize the space in the middle of the park because they know that's where Sundowns is stronger. Cool. I mean, Tebukhom Kwena, Nuno Santos, that's where they usually operate. But what the Sundowns did well is that when they were closing spaces in the middle, they were using the flanks. Sundowns are attacking our flanks, but they were using the flanks to try and get the advantage over the Pirates. Their pass, Ishaumudi icon. So the team that used their chances is the team that won. The Pirates eventually Mamelodi Sundowns. The league is now wide open because Sundowns in a game in hand. If they win that game in hand, Balingana on points with the Pirates. And we will be there.
I want to give credit to Miguel Cardoso for how he has been moving in the past few games, for his tactics in the past few games, how he approaches games. His bravery in approaching games, he goes all out in the first halves. The first 45 has been our best half in the past few games. And I don't know if you guys are noticing, there's these genius diagonal balls that we always try to play and we always get something out of them. In our past few goals, I'm sure that above 50% of those goals are coming from those genius diagonal balls played by Abo Santos, sometimes Mudiba, sometimes Mukwena. Those balls are genius. That's a genius tactic. Miguel is finally no longer a coward. He is no longer a coward. And one thing I know how to do, I criticize where it's needed and I give credit where it's due. Big applause for Miguel Cardoso, man, and congratulations for retaining his job, for making sure that he keeps his job and he brings back the trust from the supporters and from the management.
Orlando Pirates izinyane lehuda kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Sibonile iSundowns ikuprova lokho enkundleni ngokuthi ibhabhadise Orlando Pirates nje ngamagoli amabili kwelilo. Okucaca ukuthi Orlando Pirates neleague ngathi kusemningi umsebenzi Orlando Pirates kumele wenze uma ifuna ileague. Okwamanje ngazi ukuthi ayiyekele kobhuda abadala abayiMamelodi Sundowns. Abazi yazi kangcono ileague engathi Orlando Pirates experience ye-league ayinayo. Ngani na Orlando Pirates ibine sebenzi owodwa namuhla kumele wenze ukuthi at least ibambe idraw neMamelodi Sundowns ukuze izokwazi ukuthi ivule igap lapha. Awukwazi ukuvumela abantu abakulandelayo ecompete nabo kwileague bezokushaya. Orlando Pirates bingakatesteki kuma big stages. Sundowns bakhomisile ukuthi ma big stages Orlando Pirates ayikwazi ukuthi step up, ayikwazi ukapitalize ama chances. Abadlali beOrlando Pirates abakhona njengamanje abana experience yokuwina nokuperforma nokufighta ema group stages. Sibonile kwiCAF kubelula for bona ukuthi bephume on onke lama game ifithi wabheke bebawadlala Orlando Pirates bawina kwileague bebengahlangani nobhuti abadala. Ngiyakhumbula ngelinye ilanga ngaye ngasho ukuthi the best team kwiPSL njengamanje kwakuOrlando Pirates no bafowethu ngaphazama lapha. Naye Sundowns yaprove ukuthi obani obhuti abadala kwileague. Yabona kwiCAF Orlando Pirates benenkinga, sibuya kwileague isinenkinga. Sikuphi na Orlando Pirates ibe nama chances angcono neMamelodi Sundowns first 30 minutes. Bahluleka ukukapitalize okhomisa ukuthi ma big stages baba nenkinga, baba netwetwe, bayasaba, ba create impela ama chances. Esibabonile uMbuthuma bafowethu is a good striker for ama Buccaneers. Iwona mdlali abamdinga njengamanje ongakwazi ukuthi benzele izinto zenzeke. Sebengakhuluma abakhuluma phela befuna abadlali babo kodwa he's a good player, top striker for ama Buccaneers. Bawathola ama chances bafowethu Williams was outstanding bafowethu. Performance yakhe binhle kakhulu akayenzela ama saves ekayenza ke Sokhotho biyinhle kakhulu ya save khombisa ukuthi good player, good goalkeeper okwazi futhi ku step up ma big stages. Okuthe lapho ke Sundowns first attempt etholile kuLeon wakwazi uexpose ubheklana Orlando Pirates usiyema besihlezi simncoma sithi siyema inkunzi laphana wakwazi ukuthi eba expose benosibizi lapha emuva ukuthi no man angaka tested enough testeka bahluleka ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi ebe step up. Even second goal lika Leon after 4 minutes waphinda baprove uLeon wathi no nina nika testeki ngokwanele kuleya pass kaModiba bafethu unokusho usale ngena pass ke lapha ihambe noModiba what a pass. In the space of 4 minutes Mamelodi Sundowns was leading already 2-0 and his test buya second half Orlando Pirates bafethu dominate kakhulu second half sibonile ukuthi ibidlali wa creative nalo ma chances but akwazi ngwasebenza Tito lowo okwazi ukuthola ibhola otbacksene team ngoba la deflect kumkwena lakhala esefini ngawuthi lona chance ebelingekho kuhlinga lo ndlela but bakwazi ukuthi ebele connect because Mbuthuma again washaya crossbar la kuyile enkundleni ama chance wona bekhona. Inkinga abantu abahluleke ukuthi be step up kuma big stages. Buccaneers for league manje nginika chance. No chance for Buccaneers ukuthi ngawina league njengamanje if maku under pressure kanje ngakwazi ukuthi step up. A police again we big game wahluleka ku step up for Buccaneers lapha bemdinga khona the most. Namthajela game be big for yena Makaula pick up Makaula iwazi lobamba midfield wayibamba yabambeka sibelebele lila side uModiba ebelisebenzisa kakhulu I don't know ukuthi bekuphi sibelebele I don't know ukuthi ebelihlezi ekuphi Hotho ebengena mgwaqo because uniko umrena une speed uyamatcha nge speed uyamaka ama defender iSundowns iyazi ukuthi no man lo muntu lona sizokwazi ukuthi simbambe lapha overload le side la right. Hotho was trying but indlela yakhe ibivaliwe.
Okay, bafethu, this is where the iphelela la video namhlanje bafethu. I am defeated, in fact. I am defeated, and namhlanje I'm not even gonna point fingers at the coach or the players, even though like the players were bad. Like we were just bad, in fact. Like we couldn't pass the ball. Usbilibili, like there was no need for Kutu to for Usbilibili. Okay, I'm not blaming anyone, ne? But in the fact, if you don't win the league this season, then games like this, games where we were so. If you don't lose the league, it came there. Sundowns, first leg, Loftus. You could have beaten those guys with 4-1, but because of our player Pirates are selfish and at the same time are clinical, just like the first guy said. You guys are selfish. You guys funu praise because ngisazi Pirates mangathula the match mangadlala kahle, people are gonna be talking about you Facebook uzotrend the weekend yonke. That's what they want. Abusibili. They want to ukuthi kube yibona futhi like the main guys. That's what they want, ne? They are selfish, and secondly abekho clinical. And people are gonna be like, why Mbuthuma adlala igame yonke? Where was Makgopa? I'm like, Makgopa mangangena uzoba yiwinga. Makgopa uzongena across ibhola. Makgopa uzongena agxobisizwe. Uma ngalo ukuthi mfethu uya striker. Ucrossa ibhola. Who are you crossing the ball to? And we strike a seed. But to cross ibhola. How many times have you seen Makgopa cross ibhola? But still people abona nje mfethu Mbuthuma noMakgopa mfethu bayafana. Mbuthuma noMakgopa same thing, bra. Same thing. You can't convince me bayafana, bra. Angazi coach bathanda mfethu ngama lento le ukuthi strike kumele sikwazi ukudlala mfethu. Yo. As bengithi ngikhuluma kakhulu, bengithi nje ngikhulume because angifuni ukukhuluma because how cha mfethu angazi ukuthi ngithini, bra. did you see ukuthi striker senzani striker? You don't need ama-chance amaningi mfethu. 2 chances, 2 goals. Chai is chai. But abo muthuma like uzothola u6 aconvert 1. Umkhopho uzothola u7 angaconvert lutho. Assist mhlambe sometimes. Hayi bafethu ngeke bafethu istriker sasidinga nje straight striker. Lapho kuphakathi bethi into ishoda ngayo manje just like the first guy said, sidinga i-striker. Because we can't keep going on ngabo Mbuthuma bra. Even though Mbuthuma usasemncane still gonna develop, but siyambona nje namuntu futhi is never gonna be a striker score 20 goals a season. I-striker that we had Mabasa wahamba uku-Stellenbosch right now. And see team mfethu ehlezi attacker ibhola likuthina with creative players. Why uthatha istriker esimele eboxini silinde ukuthi nisiphasele score? Getha istriker esodlala o10 cross ibhola while uMabasa mfethu like literally bekamele eboxini esingiphaseleni. And into esiyidinga ukuthi istriker sine eboxini sisiphasele bra, because we do have creative players. Any into when people say what police are good for me, I was like, it's just a few games. A police, bra. Hi, come on. Abomremi Nkosami. All I can say with Umremi no police ever since baby AFCON, they have not been the same. They have not been the same. My police no Umremi. Angazi wenzakala ngabo. And as in, subscribe and comment. I'll see you guys on the next video because I'm gay.